Cooking doesn't have to be complicated to be satisfying. Minimalist cooking is all about doing more with less, fewer ingredients, fewer tools, and less time, while still creating meals that are delicious and nourishing. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent juggling responsibilities, or simply someone who wants to simplify their kitchen routine, these tips will help you embrace minimalist cooking and make your life a little easier. Let's dive into 10 easy minimalist cooking tips that will help you create simple, delicious meals with ease. 1. Declutter your kitchen. The first step to minimalist cooking is simplifying your space. A cluttered kitchen can make cooking feel chaotic. But a clean, organized space sets the tone for simplicity. Start by going through your kitchen and getting rid of items you don't use. Do you really need 3 can openers or that pan you haven't touched in years? Keep only the essentials, things you use regularly and love. An uncluttered kitchen not only saves you time when cooking but also makes the process more enjoyable. You'll be surprised at how freeing it feels to cook in a space that's clear and intentional. 2. Invest in versatile tools. You don't need a drawer full of gadgets to cook great meals. Minimalist cooking is about working smarter, not harder, and that starts with having the right tools. Invest in a few high-quality, versatile tools that can handle multiple tasks. For example, a good chef's knife, a sturdy cutting board, and a cast iron skillet can cover most of your cooking needs. A blender or food processor is also a great addition if you enjoy making soups, sauces, or smoothies. With the right tools, you can cook almost anything without the need for specialized gadgets cluttering your space. 3. Keep your pantry stocked with essentials. A well-stocked pantry is the backbone of minimalist cooking. Having a selection of versatile ingredients on hand means you can whip up a meal without needing to run to the store. Focus on pantry staples that are versatile and have a long shelf life. Items like rice, pasta, lentils, canned tomatoes, olive oil, vinegar, and basic spices are great to have on hand. Fresh basics like garlic, onions, and potatoes are also incredibly versatile. When your pantry is stocked with essentials, you can easily mix and match ingredients to create simple, flavorful meals. 4. Plan simple meals. Minimalist cooking thrives on simplicity, and that starts with your meal plan. Instead of trying to make elaborate dishes every night, focus on meals that are easy to prepare and use just a few ingredients. Think one-pot meals, sheet pan dinners, or simple salads. For example, a pasta dish with olive oil, garlic, and a sprinkle of Parmesan can be just as satisfying as a complicated recipe with 20 ingredients. When you plan simple meals, you save time, reduce stress, and make cooking more enjoyable. 5. Embrace batch cooking. One of the best ways to simplify your cooking routine is to embrace batch cooking. By preparing larger quantities of food at once, you can save time and have meals ready to go throughout the week. Cook a big pot of soup, stew, or chili and store it in individual portions for easy reheating. You can also batch cook grains like rice or quinoa, roast a variety of vegetables, or prepare a large salad base to customize throughout the week. Batch cooking reduces the need to cook from scratch every day, giving you more time to enjoy your meals and less time spent in the kitchen. 6. Use fewer ingredients. Minimalist cooking isn't about cutting corners. It's about letting the quality of your ingredients shine. Instead of recipes with a long list of ingredients, focus on dishes that use just a few high-quality items. For example, a caprese salad made with fresh tomatoes, mozzarella, basil, olive oil, and balsamic vinegar is simple yet incredibly flavorful. By using fewer ingredients, you can highlight the natural flavors of your food and keep your meals quick and easy. Less is often more when it comes to cooking. A handful of fresh, high-quality ingredients can create magic on your plate. 7. Simplify your recipes. You don't need complicated recipes to make delicious meals. Minimalist cooking is about simplifying your approach and trusting your instincts. Choose recipes that are straightforward and easy to follow. Better yet, learn a few basic techniques, like roasting, sautéing, or making a simple vinaigrette. Once you master the basics, you can create endless variations without needing a recipe at all. Cooking becomes much more enjoyable when you don't feel tied to complicated instructions. Trust yourself, you're more capable than you think. 8. Cook with seasonal ingredients. One of the easiest ways to simplify your meals while boosting flavor is to cook with seasonal ingredients. Produce that's in season is often fresher, more affordable, and more flavorful than out-of-season options. Visit your local farmer's market or check the seasonal section at your grocery store. Plan meals around what's available, like hearty soups in the winter or light, refreshing salads in the summer. Seasonal ingredients often require minimal preparation to shine, making them perfect for minimalist cooking. 9. Repurpose leftovers. Don't let leftovers go to waste. Get creative and turn them into something new. Minimalist cooking is all about making the most of what you have. For example, roasted vegetables from dinner can become the base for a frittata the next morning. Leftover rice can be transformed into fried rice or added to a soup. Even a simple piece of chicken can be shredded and used in tacos or sandwiches. By repurposing leftovers, you reduce waste and save time while still enjoying fresh, exciting meals. 10. Clean as you go. Minimalist cooking isn't just about simplifying the meal itself. It's also about making the process smoother. Cleaning as you go is one of the easiest ways to keep your kitchen organized and stress-free. While something is simmering or baking, take a moment to wash a few dishes or wipe down the counter. By the time your meal is ready, your kitchen will be clean, and you'll have less to do after eating. A tidy kitchen makes cooking feel more enjoyable and less like a chore. The joy of minimalist cooking. Minimalist cooking isn't just about saving time or reducing clutter. It's about creating meals that bring joy and nourishment to your life. By simplifying your approach, you can focus on what truly matters: the quality of your food, the flavors you love, and the people you share your meals with. With these 10 tips, you'll discover that cooking doesn't have to be complicated to be rewarding. Start small, try 1 or 2 tips, and see how they transform your kitchen routine. Happy cooking!